Add a little bit of fun and interactivity to your website with quizzes that help guide visitors throughout their customer journey. A quiz can help you get to know your visitors from the moment they land on your website. Learn who they are, hear about their concerns, find out their preferences, then collect their email or phone number and store every data point and insight in your marketing tech stack for personalization end to end. And the best part? Quizzes simply work because customers enjoy taking them. Quizzes are a powerful website tool and easy to build in Justuno. Start with adding a quiz template from our library, and then add the question you want to ask. Change the branding to fit your style, and you are ready to go live. Then connect your quiz results to the corresponding audience segment in Justuno for retargeting either during the same session, during their next visit to your website, or via off-site channels like your email or SMS provider. Quizzes aren't just for the top of the funnel. They can be used at different points throughout the customer journey for key messaging, like when someone goes to exit the site, check in and help them find what they're looking for product research from your VIP segment, or as a source of progressive data collection to fill out repeat customer profiles. Grow your email and SMS list, collect zero-party data, increase average order value, improve conversion rates, decrease the likelihood of returns, and a whole lot more. Justuno's robust analytic dashboard gives you the ability to create custom views so you can analyze your data your way. Review results by question, visitor, or holistically for every possible insight. By collecting more zero-party data than you've ever had, quizzes will transform your marketing strategy from top to bottom. Ad campaigns, email, SMS, and website experiences can all be tailored to showcase relevant reviews, products, and even content to overcome conversion roadblocks. Stop talking at your customers and get started talking with them with quizzes from Justuno.